Welcome with this first movie of chapter 8. It's about the area of a triangle. And with the area of a triangle, I'm basically going to explain why we have a certain formula and how that formula works. And then I would like you to do a question of your own, and then, off we go. First of all, I have made a square, and this square ABED. And that square, I've put a point C over here, and then I have made it into two different squares. I will call this one F, so AFCD, and BFCE. And each of these two squares I've halved by drawing the diagonal. And what do I get? I get a triangle ABC. Well, of course I didn't do that. I drew ABC and I closed it with a rectangle. But it's the same. So apparently this one over here, let's make this yellow. Can I throw that yellow? Yeah, there it is. And the other, this one as well, also the yellow triangle, they're the same size. So this is half, this is half of the rectangle. And here as well, I can do it with another color and with purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay, there it is. And you can see it as well. I have half the rectangle, so it is the triangles are half of the whole rectangle. And if you want to calculate the area of this triangle, then I simply need to calculate the area of the enclosing rectangle and then half it. Okay. How do we do that? We use two words. We always start with a point, with a vertex, and then the distance from that point to the opposite side is called the height. So this is the height. I need to do that. I'm going to draw it in red. So this is the height. And the length of the side is called the base. And as you can see, the height, CF, is the same distance as BE or DA. So the area of the rectangle is the height multiplied by the base. So the area of the triangle is the height multiplied by the base divided by 2. That's what's written over here. And then very, very short, I've written over here, A area is half times H height times B base. So the H is the height and the B is the base. And that's how we do it. Well, how do we do it over here? Try it for yourself for just a few seconds. Pause your movie. Okay, let's see if you've done it correctly. We need to calculate the area, and the area, I'm going to type it, area is half times the height times the base. Half, of course, stays half. The height in this case is 6. The base in this case is, what was it again? 9. 9. What is this? Oh, trusty calculator, please show me the answer. It is 27. You had it correct, of course. Didn't you? Hey, we need to do that again. Oh, you need to do that again with this one, the area of the triangle XYZ. XY is 5, XZ is 7, and this is a right angle over here. Angle X is right angled. Good luck. See you around. Bye bye.